Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be recording a fall makeup look. I already did my eyebrows just so that we don't waste any time. And to start off, I am going to be using like a brown color on the lid of my eye from the Morphe palette 15N. So I just always like to start with like a lighter color. Oh yeah, let me get my... Okay, I'm gonna be looking at my mirror just to make things easier to show you guys. It might be a little bit hard. So the one I'm using is this custom one right here. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. And then yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that one, like I said. Then I'm gonna go in with this one called Opal, which is right there, the third one. You've probably heard like all these like airplanes or helicopters in most of my videos. It's because I live kind of near an airport. I mean, well, there's an airport in this city that I live in, and there's just always a lot of airplane movement. So next I am gonna go in with this palette. It is the Cara ES09, I think that's what it's called. I don't know, my mom gave it to me, but it has some nice colors in here, as you can see. So I'm gonna go on with probably this orange first, and then maybe this one. Oh, the brush I'm using is the Morphe M441. Forgot to mention that. Let me see. Let me go into the other one. So I don't really do my makeup very often unless I'm like going to like a pretty big event, like a wedding or something like that. Most of the time I just have natural makeup. Oh yeah. I think it looks pretty even. Let's just do a little more. All right. So then I am going to, if I can find the brush. You know what? Give me like 2 seconds. Okay. So I had just left my brush over there. So this is the Morphe M421 brush. It's kind of like a little flat brush. And I'm going to use that to like kind of conceal part of my eye. I just bought this palette too. It's by Makeup Revolution, and it is called Utopia. And the colors in this palette are really nice, or at least I'd like to think so. I'll show you guys. Don't mind my nails. So I think I am going to go in with, which one was it? I think it was this one. It's called Zen, which is this one right here. And then you just want to like press it in, like you don't want to drag it. And I'm using the same brush, the flat brush, the 421. to use this Morphe M324 brush. I don't know what's good. Okay, it's kind of like angled a little bit, but I use it like in between, on like on my brow bone. And I am gonna be using from the same palette this one right here. I am going to do the rest of my face before I do the eyeliner and the... No, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and put on my eyelashes, so I will be right back. Okay, so I am done putting on my eyelashes and my eyeliner. The eyeliner that I like to use is the NYX matte liquid liner right here, and just black. Yeah, and then the eyelashes that I am wearing, honestly my mom got them on like an app called Mama or something like that, but they're like super cheap. I think they are $1 and it comes with a pack of 10. So I'll go ahead and show you guys a box right here, and it is in like the style 3D69, and this is kind of what the eyelashes look like. So yeah, I don't know, they're very pretty. Like I said, it comes with a pack of 10 and I think it's $1. Shipping is like $2. It does take a while for them to get here because I think they're like international, but I don't know, I really like them, and this pair I've been using for, I've already used it like probably 10 times, so they are very durable and sturdy. So now that my eyelashes are on, let's go ahead and start with the makeup. So I am going to be using the YSL All Hours foundation. This is in the color Warm Almond. Oh my god, I swear this is like the 5th airplane or whatever that has passed by. It's really annoying. I don't really like to put like a lot of concealer under my eyes because I do tend to get I don't know, like I still get wrinkles even if I like bake my face or whatever. Now oh sorry, I didn't even show you guys the concealer that I used. It's the Benefit Cakeless Concealer and it is in number 5. That's all it says. And then to bake under my eyes, I am going to use the Laura Mercier, I don't know if I said that right, but translucent powder. Let's see. And I'll be using my beauty blender under my eye. I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer in the shade, I don't know if this is the shade, it says Sun Kissed Bronzer. That's the only thing I can really see on here. And I'm using the Real Techniques blush brush. So it's supposed to be for blush, but I use it for my bronzer. Trying to get a straight line in there. Oh my god. Okay. Highlights from this Beauty Creations Floral Bloom Highlight and Contour Palette. So I usually use, as you can see, this gold one or this like pinkish one. I'm going to be using the gold one today. You can see that? Ooh. Almost done. Let's just do the nose really quick. I feel like maybe I don't even know how to contour my nose because it still looks the same, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. So now it's just kind of like a waiting game. Let's actually do the nose. I just use my finger for my nose. Ooh. Okay. So I think that's basically it. Oh, I need to do my eyelashes. Okay, I just need to put on some lipstick. Okay, so I am going to be using this lip liner by LA Girl. It is in the color Sugar and Spice. And then the lipstick I'm going to be using is by Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid or Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick. It's right here, and I think the color is Sellout. That's what it says in the back. So. So that's it. That is the completed look. I don't know if you guys can see my eyes, and it's pretty simple, I guess I would say. Like, I'm not like a makeup guru or anything like that, so I think that if I can do this and like a lot of other people can do it, I will try my best to link some of the items that I used down below. But yeah, that's the completed look. If you guys would like more videos like this, like, please definitely let me know in the comment section. And then also, please, I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me tips on what I can do different, or like I said, other ideas of other makeup looks, and I will try to recreate them. So thank you guys for watching.